Without OpenIT, it would be like a very like a tough situation for us to identify how many number of licenses are using and how many licenses are picked up but not utilized. When we deployed OpenIT, it identifies the stale licenses and geoscience users picked up the licenses within the Petrel, but they are not utilizing it. So by this, we have, I would say, 25 to 30% of cost reduction in license utilization. We started testing OpenIT back in 2021. So yeah, initial phases we tested on Petrel application. There are two core applications, geoscience and combined core, and then within geoscience core we have seismic interpretation, well correlation, and especially where we have a demanded limited license in modeling and velocity modeling, domain conversion. Those licenses are business users are struggling to get one because other users are picked up, but they might leave the desk for a while running the process, and the license are utilized, and other geoscience users are waiting. They are waiting for the license. They know that their license are there, but they don't know whether they are available or not and who is using it. But from back end, as we are from support, we know we can, as everything is in cloud, so we can see which machine using this particular license, and that machine was used by which geoscience user. Exactly what we have done using all this OpenIT, we created a dashboard, and that dashboard we synchronized with the Teams channel. So in Teams channel, I created a channel. We created a channel, and we have chosen the threshold. If particular license, for example, let's say Petrel Geoscience Core domain conversion, if it is reached up to 90% of utilization, it should send a mail trigger to the our support team first. So instead of sending to users directly, so we get that alerts by triggering that 90% utilization. Then immediately we go and look at it if any user is not using it. And another scenario we have in two zones. We have like a eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere, and we divided different dashboards for both regions. So if one region is run out of the licenses, and if, for example, another geoscience user came and I need a domain conversion license from eastern hemisphere, but by that time western hemisphere users are not active, so we requested them to connect to that license server and continue their work, so that the business did not disturb, and we know how many new licenses are utilized. So by using this threshold and by getting alerts triggering on time, and we as a support team, we analyze and we see the number of license utilization, and we provide 24/7 support to the users without any interruption. So we initiated with the Petrel. We started with Petrel. Now it is expanding to other geoscience applications, Paleoscan, Geoteric, and so on.